Hi, so in this video, I'm going to cover Codex, like as a designer, how you can be a product builder instead of just a product designer. As AI era is there, you have to uplift yourself. So in this video, I'm going to cover from planning to designing to development and how to host using Codex platform. And for hosting, we can use Vercel and Netlify. For SaaS platform, Vercel is better, simple demo projects. For websites, which includes multiple number of animations, interactions, for that Netlify is better. And through ChatGPT, I'm going to plan it, the whole site. In this video, I'm going to make a landing page for a course selling influencer. For example, there is an influencer who is selling his courses, multiple number of, and he wants a single landing page for the same. So I'm going to make a demo project for this so that you can understand how to make projects using this codex and this new process of AI. So let's start with that. So here I am on the ChatGPT page, and you can also access ChatGPT Grow, ChatGPT Go, or Pro version if you have, or you can buy the Go version. And also with the Airtel plans earlier, you are getting for free 1 year ChatGPT Go plan. So everything will work. So here we do planning part, like what will be the sitemap for the course selling page. If you are doing real project working upon, then we also have to work upon like what competitors are doing. For now, I'm just going to make site flow with ChatGPT. So instead of going pro, I will go with instant because I want instant results. So I like this landing page flow basically. I'm doing it for a demo project, but if you're doing for a real project, you have to really verify it, what you want specifically for that client. So here we are going to make a header, hero section trusted by feature courses, whatever they are offering, learning paths, why learn from this creator, project students build, student results, which is testimonials, free demo section, pricing, FAQ, and final CT with footer. So this is a good flow. So I'll ask it to make a prompt for Codex if for this same page flow for the particular influencer. Now when I am asking it to give me Codex to prompt for the same, I have to clarify it, like we need to make a separate components file. We need to make a design system for the same so that consistency will be there. Like it is a landing page, but if you are doing multiple number of pages, then that matter a lot. If there is any particular library or that you want to follow or a design system that you want to follow, you can specify it. Okay, like I want to follow this library, I want to follow this design system, then it will do that. And if there is particular color that you want a brand is going with, you can mention it that I want this in particular this color or that brand is following. Or you can simply share PDF or branding guideline with this. Then it automatically understood whatever the requirements are. So now by stating everything, you can ask for the prompt and click on enter. Now we will see like what prompt it will give. Now we have to do nothing. We have to just copy this prompt when it gets finished. Now we need to open a folder where we want to store every coding related files. So first we need to make a folder. So first we need to make a folder where I want all my files will get saved automatically and where Codex will work itself. And then we can open the same folder in the Codex and then we can start vibe coding or prompting there. So we can name it as landing page. And inside this folder, everything will get saved. So now in Codex, I will go to file, then open folder. Then I will just select this landing page and select folder. It automatically selects my landing page here. You can see it. And I can start coding. I can start prompting. So I'll just copy and paste that same prompt which ChatGPT provided me. So I'll just copy it from here and paste it here. And just run it. The best thing of Codex is it understands context very well compared to many other software. Like if you use Google AI Studio or any other platform also, either anti-gravity also take too much time in processing. It gives you results faster. It understands context very well. It understands design system, how to manage components and everything. And its files are deployable. It's not like you will get any error or something. It's easy to deploy these files. So now it has covered. So it has processed the prompt and from here sidebar we can get the results. But most of the time we don't get to receive the UI. So we just have to run the terminal to run the code in our local host. So it is very simple. You just have to you have to go to the path where your folder is made. So here I have created my folder. So I have to enter this landing page, and here all files are visible. So just copy the path from here and paste it in your terminal. So see users explore. I'm already inside that. So I'll just remove this and enter cd. Cd means you have to enter inside this directory, and wherever I am using space sing inside the name, right, like Rahul space docs, I have to use double inverted commas. So now just I have entered into the my landing page directory where my files are Codex is saving. So now I have to run npm install. I already installed it inside this directory. So you can run this command. And after running this command npm install, you can run the command npm run dev. When you make an enter, you will automatically get a local host link that you can run into your browser. So I will just copy this link and paste here, and it will automatically run in my local host. This link I cannot share to anyone there. So it has made a good landing page in one prompt only, not iterations. No iterations I have made. We can make it more better with animations and glowing effect with background blur with more iterations, and we can make footer better, header better, hero section better. But in one prompt, we can get this much. So you can take inspiration from like Pinterest, competitor site also, like how the UI will be and what features you want or what flow you want to be. So like if I just copy this and just give direct prompt without using ChatGPT, I suggest you to use ChatGPT because it will maintain the context. Like if you have said earlier to use particular library for icons for components, then it will remember all the time when it creates a prompt. But you can also make it directly, but it is not recommended. I'm making it just a simple iteration. But if you are doing a particular project, a real project, then you have to do a ChatGPT prompt. No shame. Lights shine, city bright. So I'm just updating the color palette of my project. Let's see how it is happening. Is it able to do that task or not, or how well it is able to do that particular task? So let's wait for it. So now it has processed the prompt. So let's see what changes it has made. So here is my link, and it has updated the color palette completely. And now it's using particular gradient style, which is literally good, I think. And it is now looking professional, little bit giving a professional feel. We can make multiple number of changes. If you think with such two normal prompts, if you can do this, then if you go deeply into it, you can do blunders and can do animation stuff also. So I'll just do one thing. I'll just try a detail animation. So I am writing a general prompt for the same, and let's see how does it. So this will be the last prompt I am going to try. You can try multiple number of iterations here. You can take inspiration from Pinterest, from Dribble, from Behance at visual level. And if you want to go at UX level, can take inspiration from many other real competitor sites, or even you can look for Mobin or multiple number of sites out there related to this. So it has made the changes. So let's see what has done. So I asked it for animation in text, the color animation in the text. So it is completely done. I asked for parallax effect also in every section for text, but I think I have to specifically tell it where I want it because it is not provided that. But you can make multiple number of iteration. It is able to do text. Oh. But overall, the first result we get, and now yes, it is good. And I also asked it for sticky header, but it has not done it. The saturation token based. So sometimes we have to give multiple times iteration, and sometimes we have to take a screenshot and then tell it what has to be done. And the best way is to do through ChatGPT prompt because it covers the context also. So now after making all iterations, after making UI good and everything. So now we are going to host it with using Vercel. So let's go to the Vercel side. You can simply sign in and your account will get made. So here my projects will be visible and for you it will be empty. And then you have to go to GitHub and just sign up and you will land at your homepage. Here you will see a new button where you can create new repo. You will see same screen as I am. So you can enter here course, any name you can give and create repository. And then you can upload an existing file. Instead of uploading every file, by clicking on here, you can simply drag and drop all files together. You don't need to upload these two files, npm or node. It automatically, the Vercel will automatically get it from the net. So after uploading all the files, you have to make sure that you will click on commit changes. Otherwise, doing this will not work. So now you will here see your all files here, and you just need to go to Vercel, add new project, and here I have connected my Git. But if you have not connected your Git, you will here see the message of to connect the GitHub. You just have to click that connect GitHub, and you will able to see all the repository you have in GitHub. You will see only one repository that you have created now, and you just have to click import. When you click on import, you just have to click after that deploy. So now see whether it able to deploy or not. Sometimes errors can come, and normally there not has to be any error. So yeah, there is no error, and you can just go to the continue to dashboard, and from here we can just click on domain, and let's see whether our website is working the same way as it is running in our local host or not. So yeah, it is working the same way as it is opening in our local host. Now I can share this link with anyone and they can access it throughout the world. And you can make, and interactions will be same, animations will be same, everything will be same as a real website because it is a real. We have made it a coded website without even doing the coding. So in this way, you can create any website or even a SaaS platform. In future videos, I am going to create a SaaS platform. Plus, I am going to cover like how to join the backend also. Like if there is a form, will be there. So if somebody responds to that form, if the customer responds to that form, then how we will get that on our email, on our Excel, how it will be connected to that. So in future videos, I'm going to cover all these things. So stay connected, subscribe, and keep following.